Hey, everybody.
Welcome back
to the Pourin Hub.
And I got Kayla. And we got Olivia in the hub. I heard something. She's a champion.
I might be.
National, state, world.
State champion.
Rubik's Cube. Now, I've been trying to figure this out for 45 years. She can do it in 45 seconds.
Yep.
And while she's doing that, we're going to make a Rubik's Cube cocktail. Oh, yeah, we need these. Hold on. Chilled.
Chilled?
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Chilled coupe glasses.
Chilled teeny glasses.
And this.
Shaker.
Now, we got...
Freshly washed. Sponsored by BLM Construction.
Is it Caribbean or Caribbean?
Caribbean.
Caribbean?
There you go. We got Caribbean, triple-aged, 10-year-old rum. It says 6 to 10 years. You know the Pourin Hub goes all the way, 10 years.
My favorite. Cherry liqueur.
Oh, yeah. Freshly squeezed lime juice. 2 homemade simple syrups. Cinnamon. And peppercorn.
Mm-hmm.
And then, of course, some bitters. So we're going to mix this up here quick while she figures that out. She could probably do that before I can get this bottle open.
All right. So, there's 2/3 of an ounce of cherry
Done.
liqueur.
Time that.
Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the Cube Hub. Oh, my God.
Welcome back. Don't fall off the... Ooh, that was a good one.
ASMR.
That's what that was. Asthma.
ASMR. All right. Okay.
Now, how much of this we need?
Well,
We'll let Liv do one.
Ooh.
okay.
What's 1 2/3 times 3? 3.
Okay.
Yeah.
That can't be. 2/3. 2/3 is 1. It's 2 4. That'd be 3 1/3. Plus another 2 is 4. Yeah, it'd be 5.
Ding, 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 ding. Okay, well, that's 3 right there.
Yep.
Dang. All right, then we need a lime. Freshly squeezed.
6 dashes of this times 3. Carry the 1.
18 dashes. We'll stand here and wait.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Dad, Liv could have completed a Rubik's Cube in this time.
Whoa. That might have been 19.
One for extra luck.
Yes. And that's that.
I think that's everything.
No.
No, the syrup.
The syrups. Oh my God, we're gonna run out of room. So this will have to be 2 ounces. So 2 of them went in?
Yep, and we put some of that in.
Okay.
Not sure how much, but it went in there.
Huh.
So we're gonna
Well, it should
find
have
out.
been 1 bar spoon. That's
Well-
3 bar spoons.
Me and Liv didn't know how much a bar spoon was, so I used my pinky to measure. Isn't that what you guys used to do back in the day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot.
What?
The most important part. I ran the whole way down to Scott's Cape Horn Road
For dry ice.
for some dry ice. Boom.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Pourin Hub.
All back.
My bad.
Okay, so there you have it.
Our Rubik's
The
Cube
Rubik's-
cocktail.
Say that again.
Our Rubik's Cube cocktail. Ding.
Cheers. What's it smell like?
Cherries.
It smells really good.
Cinnamon cherry.
Yeah.
Smells
wow.
like cherry.
Let's try it.
That's really good. Oh,
It smells like
This-
a nice fall delight.
it really does.
That's what I was. That's exactly what I was going to say. It would be excellent on Halloween.
What?
Wait, ready?
We don't condone vaping, but smoking of this sort.
That's really good.
We're definitely making them for Halloween.
Ooh.
That is a fall delicious.
This is like the aisle of like home goods and all the like
Mhm.
ball stuff, like when you walk down.
But anyways, how'd you like that one?
I think this is my favorite one.
Good.
It was pretty scrumptious as a non-alcohol drinker. It was pretty good.
Okay. So 2 thumbs up from you. I like it. Well, hey, thanks for coming in and helping us make this.
Thank you.
I'm
Right.
here every day.
And
Living
showing us how to.
You're very welcome.
What's the secret?
Lots of practice.
If
That's
she
what I
told you the
lack.
secret, then she wouldn't be the state champion anymore, Dad.
Trust me. She doesn't have anything to worry about with my competition.